Welcome back to our channel.
For those of you who are new, I'm Ains.
And I'm Lain, and we're sisters. Today we will be doing a 2017 favorites. Even though some of the products we're going to show you were not made in 2017, they were what we used the most in 2017.
Don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video and all the rest, and hit that bell.
We hope you enjoy this video. Leave a comment in the comment box below about one of your favorite products that you used this 2017. Let's get started.
So we're going to go in order on how we do our makeup. So first is obviously primer.
Yeah.
And my favorite primer is my new Josie Maran 100% pure Argan oil. And it's not technically like a full out primer, but it is at the same time. It like gives you a smooth base, but I don't think it actually does the priming where it keeps your makeup on long.
Cool.
Yeah.
And as you guys know, my favorite is the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot.
Oh,
I love it. I use it all the time. So next we're going to go on to foundation, and my favorite for 2017 was the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I love the coverage, and I love how it matches my skin tone perfectly, and it's super easy to blend.
And my favorite is my Sephora foundation, and I just recently got it, but I really like it because it matches my skin tone really well, and it has very good coverage.
For our concealers, I could not decide between the Tarte Shape Tape or the Too Faced Born This Way. They're both amazing. They both have amazing coverage, and these are the Tarte Shape Tape is in the shade Light, and Too Faced is Light Medium.
For my favorite concealer, I have never used this on camera, but I use it off camera a lot. And this is the ProActiv Concealer, and it comes with 4 different shades, and obviously I use the brightest shade. So next is our setting powder, and if you didn't guess already, it's my Wet n Wild Coloricon-Reserve Your Cabana powder, because I love this stuff so much.
So next is bronzer, and I of course love my Too Faced Chocolate Gold bronzer, and it is in the shade Light Medium, and it smells amazing, looks amazing. It's a great quality product right there.
My favorite bronzer is actually in my Tarte kit, which is one of my favorites. So they don't have names, but my favorite bronzer is this light brown right here. I use it in every video, so you should probably know that by now. If you don't, that's okay too.
Blush, all of you know, Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Blush Radiant Kit. It's absolutely amazing. Comes with 4 different colors. I highly recommend it.
And mine, this one, right here, in my Tarte kit. Yes. So next is our highlight, and my favorite highlight is the Paris Hilton Dawn ProGlow kit. It's so shiny. It comes in 4 shades, and I love it so much. I use these 3 colors on the daily. This one's kind of dark for me. Ooh, wait, did that even show up? Oh, it did. That's cool. Okay, but yeah, I use these 3 colors in no certain order. I just use them whatever I feel that day. So yeah.
And I could not decide between my Fenty Beauty and my Anastasia Glow Kit. So, as you know, I have Trophy Wife. I have the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. It is stunning. And this Glow Kit is also stunning. And the colors are just amazing. I also, I really like mixing colors together. Like, if you mix Starburst with Gumdrop, these 2 over here, it turns out to be so gorgeous and so illuminating. I love it.
Next, we're going to move on to our eyeshadow primer. And I have been using the Too Faced Glitter Glue primer for a couple different videos, but that's because I was doing glitter on my eyes. But my favorite is my Hard Candy eyeshadow primer. This right here. Yeah.
And my favorite is the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer. It gives a really good base, and it helps keep my eyes fresh for the entire day. So next we're going to talk about our brow favorites. So my favorite is the Benefits Brow Collection. It has the 24-hour brow setter. It has the goof-proof brow pencil. And it also has the high brow. And it is just like stunning. I actually did my brows with this today.
My brow favorite is my Brow Power, and it's from It Cosmetics. And I used it this morning too, but I don't do a lot on my eyebrows. I don't really do anything. I just kind of brush them with this side, fill them in with this side, and then I didn't bring it in, but I also have my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel that I put on at the end that I really like. So next is eyeshadow, and if you didn't guess already, this is my favorite. I have seen a lot of reviews that people don't like this product just because like the mirror's in the middle and it's really bulky, like the outside, the cover is, and the box is hard to open. And yeah, the box is hard to open, but just look how pretty it is. It's really pretty.
And I'm sure you can guess that my favorite is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I love how the colors are so pigmented, and it gives off a very nice shine, and it even tastes like chocolate when the fallout gets in your mouth.
That's weird.
It's very good.
That's disgusting. Don't eat it.
Yeah, I don't recommend eating it. I don't even think I need to say my favorite eyeliner because you all know it by now, but it's Smashbox Limitless Liquid Liner in Jet Black. Absolutely amazing.
And I think you know what mine is. I've used it for the past couple videos. I said I love it so much. But if you don't know what it is, it's my Marc Jacobs eyeliner. And I love it because it's so pointy. And I don't like to do a lot of eyeliner because I like to do a simple look. And this helps with that.
Next we're going on to mascara. And my favorite, even though I'm a copycat,
Yes.
is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. It's so good. It extends my lashes a lot, and it stays for a very long time.
And my favorite mascara is the mascara I mysteriously found. It's my Lash Domination from Bare Minerals, and it's in the shade Intense Black. And I love the packaging because the lid's a ripple and it's really cool. And I like the ombre effect with the silver and the pink. And Bare Minerals did a really good job. Spray.
My favorite setting spray that is not a powder is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And as you guys know, I use it for everything. I use it on my brushes. Sometimes I use it before I do my makeup, and I always use it afterwards to give it that nice misty look.
I use that too. Not all the time. I don't normally use a setting powder or setting spray, but if I do want to use something, I would take that from Lain. So now we're moving on to lips, and for my favorite lips, I have two favorites. My first favorite is my Buxom in the shade Dolly lip gloss, and I have that on right now. And I got this in my Sephora Give Me More Lip Nude package, and I use it all the time. And my other favorite is, of course, my Christian Siriano lip glosses, and I brought in my two favorite colors from it.
For my favorite lipsticks, I like anything MAC, but I brought in two of my favorites. This is CC Me, and it is one of the new collections that they have at MAC. And then this one is called, where is it? Warm Ice Frost. And I just love the look of them together, which is why this tip is all purple now. And this just gives off a really shimmery effect. I don't think I've ever worn it on camera, but I absolutely love it.
So in this video, I know I only put my Tarte kit for my favorites of blush and bronzer, but I love everything about my Tarte kit. I use my highlight just on a daily basis if I'm not going anywhere fancy because it is very neutral color. And I always use my Quest color, which is why it's worn out. And I did use my mascara but it broke. So I don't use it anymore, but I love my Tarte kit.
These are our favorites for 2017. We hope that you enjoyed our video and that our channel has helped you a lot.
If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below.
Thank you guys so much for getting us to our first 100 subscribers. We love you all so much, and we can't wait to see what our future holds with all of you. But thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye. My second favorite